Hello, hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Just hi. I am happy I found this. I've been scrolling through my emails and scrolling through my emails. I had problems with my email. Some things got deleted, stuff went to oh, it was a hot mess. I found it though. I found it. I know who it's from. This is from GBFKE. Yay! I'm so excited to show you this one. It's got some cool stuff in it. I can hardly wait to show you. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, let's start small. Let's start small. Good things come in small packages, correct? So they have pens, you guys. They have pens on their site now. And look at how pretty that is. It's a dried flower pen. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. Look at all of those pretty, if it would focus, that would be great. Look at all the beautiful flowers in there. All pink flowers. There's some glitter. It's beautiful. It's a nice grip. It's my favorite grip. It's not too thick. I love it. It's what I'd call, what is a bump? This is bumps. Triple bump, double bump, 3 bump, 2 bump, I don't know. It's got a multi-placer on one end. It's got the single placer on the other. And isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, I really like that. I really, really, really like this one. I love it. It's gorgeous. I can't tell you the price right now. I just found the email. Okay, just found the email and I was ready to record. But I will link it below. I'll find the pen and I'll link it below and I'll let you know. It's gorgeous. They had other varieties, other colors. They had, oh, they're nice. I like them. They're a nice weight. They're not too thick. They're not too, not too heavy, not too light. I like it. It's nice. I like it. All right. These are fun. These are fun. Had to try these. You know, I love doing keychains. Keychains make awesome gifts. I've sold keychains before. I sell them for like $5, and people buy them for $5. They love it. All right. Here's all of our hanging apparatuses in here as well. So let's see if I can get these out without making a huge mess. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They're doggies, right? Who doesn't love a dog? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me zoom you in a bit. In. Oh, in, not out, in. They're adorable. They're all different. All these little dogs are different. Oh, he's cute. He's super cute. And then there's this guy. Oh. Okay, let me show you up close. Isn't he cute? They're double-sided. They're just, oh my gosh, I can't say enough about these, right? Who doesn't want a doggy keychain? I do. Which one do I want? I don't know. They're super cute. Which one looks like any of my dogs? None of them. None of them look like my dogs. Anyhow, I love them. They're so cute. Adorable, right? Just adorable. All right, let's look at the drills. Here's all of our chains and our claw hooks and stuff to hang them with. I did recently finish a set of gnome keychains and I sealed them. What did I seal them with? Oh, I had some polyacrylic, the blue in the can. It did a really nice job. I just painted it on there and let them dry. So let's see what the colors are here. All right, we have the clear, a pink, a lime, apricot, coral, corally, orangey colors, burgundy, a gray, black, yellow, blue, lots and lots of rhinestones. It's all rhinestones except for these. Oh boy. Yep. We got some googly eyes. Our dogs are going to have googly eyes. That's fine. That'll be fun. Some people don't like the googly eyes. I don't know. I think they're cute. I like the googly eyes. All right, puppies. Come on over here. They're too cute. Love them. Love them. Love them. Okay. So far, I'm super excited with everything in here. How about you? I like it. All right. What's in this package? Oh, I remember. Okay, I had not seen one of these. Okay, so I had to try one. It's a little different than what I've seen in the past. Here's our toolkit in here. Toolkit. It's a bookmark. And it's still pleather, but instead of having drills on the whole entire thing, look, this one is more, you have this blue pleather down here on the front, and then this will stick out the top. Instead of this, you know, rectangular ones, we have drills all over it. This one is a little different. They had quite a few in this style with just this blue at the bottom, and then your picture up here at the top. I had to try it, right? I don't think they have tassels or anything. They're just, I mean, I like them. Sometimes the big ones, they can be a bit much. They're kind of large, but, you know, I thought it was cute. Super cute. You know what would be cool? I wish one of them would do the magnetic ones. Have you seen the magnetic ones that like magnet over your page? You could put, right? Come on, people. Let me help design stuff. All right, magenta, clear, a pink, some larger black ones, some blue, greenish teardrops, some clear teardrops, some round, clear. What color are those? We don't know. What color are they? Come on, show yourselves. Clear. Okay. What are those? Black, pink pearls. Ooh, I love these little snowflake things. They're silver. Those are cute. A red oval and pink ovals. Love it. Love it. That'll be quick and easy. I'm going to do that up for Smashing the Specials. Yeah. Do that up right away. That'll take me, 10 minutes. Well, more than that. All right. This I'm excited to see. I saw somebody complete one of these. Ooh, for Smashing the Specials. They already did one. I think it was Nikki. And I loved it. Okay, hers is a different color scheme, different print and stuff, but I am into the wood things, into this wood stuff, right? So I just finished Birdhouse. That was fun. It wasn't too hard to figure out how to put it together. Drills. What else do we have? Some more pieces. More pieces and pots. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so this one gets quite a few drills. Birdhouse was real simple, but this has more drills. So these are going to be like some side pieces, and you'll see the pattern there to drill on those. Nice, right? Like it? Okay. Oh, here's some more side pieces, and those get drills as well. See, a lot more work for this one. A lot more work on this one. Love it. Okay, there's those. And then, let's see. I know there's a top to the box. Ah, right here. Here's our top. Look at the top. Look at all of the drilling on the top of the box. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think mine's oranges and yellows. Gold colors, reds maybe. Isn't that pretty? So look at how much you get to drill on this one. This will keep you busy for a little while. All right. And then you put it all together. This is the top. And there's no hinges or anything. This just sits, So like this will be your side. And this will just sit on top of the box when it's done. Right? Yeah. It'd be nice. I like it. Okay. So let's show you the drills. Drills, drills, drills. I love that they're coming out with more and more different, unique things for us to put drills on. I saw a video of a car. Somebody put little crystal drills all over a car. Like a whole car. I don't think so. Okay, clear. See, it's red, orange, yellow, and a little purple. So those are our main colors. This red, this peachy orange, and a golden yellow. That's the main colors for that. Won't that be pretty? And then there's a little purple. Lots of special drills. That's all of the rhinestones. Lots of specials. So we have a gold teardrop, little green rounds. Oh, there's our stars, our snowflakes. Look, they're looking purple. Aren't they looking really purple? That's cool. Look at that one. It looks almost solid purple. It's not at all, but it's cool. Some little blue, some purples. Oh, we got a few slivers. Not too many. That can't be that hard. There's not that many. Some orangish red teardrops and some purple marquise. Gorgeous. I love it. Okay, what's your favorite? I'm going to do this one right away. This one will be quick and easy. I'm going to get this one done like right away just because, you know? And then I love the box. The boxes are cool. They're called a jewelry box, or it's just a little trinket box, you know? The lid's just going to sit on it. It's cool. I love it. Okay, glad I found the email so I know who this is from. Thank you, GBFKE. Thank you, thank you. I love their stuff. They do a good job. I've been showing GBFKE for, oh my gosh, probably maybe the longest. I don't know, maybe. But I love their products. They do a nice job. All right, I'll link them all below so you can check them out. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And I hope you return and see some more stuff later. Okay? Talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.